I drove 2.5 hours just to get this piece. And I well overpaid, but watch me flip it anyways. As always, I start by removing all of this hardware. It was pretty, but it was too chunky and it had to go. I removed every single drawer and vacuumed inside because there was so many bugs, dirt, and spiders in here. I went ahead and used Bondo to fill all of the existing hardware holes. Then it was time to give it a good clean. I cleaned the entire piece using TSP and some water. I also made sure to really scrub into all of the little details to make sure I had no dirt trapped inside. I even scrubbed the inside as well. Just because I vacuumed it didn't mean I got all of the dirt, so I wanted to make sure I got it all. I then scuff sanded the entire piece using my Surf Prep and a 220 grit. I went ahead and primed with thin shellac primer. Then it was time to spray my paint. I'm using this Cobalt cordless sprayer and I love it. The convenience of not having a cord is a total game changer. I applied my top coat and the new hardware and here it is finished. What do you guys think? I think the new hardware really updated this piece.